In this video, we will show you how to replace your seat recline handle on this Chevy K1500. This will be mounted to the side of your seat. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We'll locate our seat recline handle right along the side of our front seat. To remove this, it's very simple. Using a Phillips head screwdriver directly in the center of this port, you're going to find a mounting screw. Let's go ahead and remove that. Now, once you have that screw dislodged, you can remove the seat recline handle, and there it is, friend. A quick inspection of the mounting hardware here, and the shaft where our seat recline handle will go. Now we can install our brand new seat recline handle. When you go to slide this into place, there's a couple things you want to pay attention to. On the shaft that's attached to the seat, you can see that it has a small slot making its way through. And if you were looking at the back side of the handle here, you're going to find you have two locating tabs. Those will fit into that slot. Let's go ahead and slide this into position and continue on with our mounting screw. Just go ahead and rotate it as necessary. Press it in. Make sure that's nice and tight. And then test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.